Ever feel like your paycheck disappears before the month is over? Wondering why you can't save money no matter how much you earn? Trust me, you're not alone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create and actually stick to a budget, step by step. By the end, you'll have a budgeting plan that works for you. Budgeting isn't about restriction, it's about freedom. It gives you control over your money so you can spend guilt-free while still saving for the future. Step 1. Know exactly how much you make. Write down your total net income, what you take home after taxes. If your income varies, take the average of the last 3 to 6 months. Now let's figure out where your money is going. Check your last 2 to 3 months of transactions. Separate your spending into categories: housing, food, entertainment, subscriptions, and more. Most people fail at budgeting because they underestimate their spending. Did you know the average person spends over $200 a month on subscription services alone? Not all budgets work for everyone. Pick a system that suits your lifestyle. If you're just starting, the 50-30-20 rule is a great place to begin. Now, let's cut the waste. Look at your spending. Are there things you're paying for but don't really use? Cancel unused subscriptions, cut down on takeout, and watch your savings grow. Make budgeting easy. Automate it. Set up automatic bill payments and auto transfer to savings so you don't even have to think about it. Life happens. Make sure you have at least 3 to 6 months worth of expenses saved up for emergencies: car repairs, medical bills, job loss. Trust me, future you will thank you. Budgeting doesn't mean you can't have fun. Set savings goals and reward yourself when you hit them. Just do it guilt-free and within your budget. Want to level up your budgeting game? Try going cash only for 1 week. You'll be shocked at how much less you spend. And that's Budgeting 101. Now you have everything you need to create and stick to a budget like a pro. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more money tips. What's your biggest budgeting challenge? Drop it in the comments below.